Hey everyone, for this week's Taco Tuesday tech tip, we're going to look at how to snooze an email. Do you ever get an email maybe at the end of the day or end of the week and you think to yourself, man, I really need to remember to address that email when I get back tomorrow, when I get back on Monday. And then the weekend happens and you get busy and you forget about that email and it gets buried down the list, 15, 20 emails down, and you forget all about it. Well, email has a snooze option. So if you click on an email that you want to be reminded about, so let's say this ISS email, for example, is one I need to be reminded about. So this is one you want to snooze. So if you look at the top, you'll see this little clock. If you click that, it's going to say snooze until, and it gives you some stock options, and then you can pick the day or time. So let's say, you know what, I need to be reminded of this right as my conference starts, because that's when I need to take that work down. So let's say my conference starts at 10 o'clock. So I need to be reminded of this email at 10 o'clock. And so then I hit save. And so now that email is going to go away. And at 10 o'clock, it's going to reappear in my inbox as if it was a brand new email so that I don't forget about it. The other way to access the snooze feature is to hover over the email, and you'll see that you have four icons that pop up, and the snooze is that last icon. So it works the same way as it does up at the top, that if you click the snooze, it pulls up your menu with your stock options as well as your ability to pick a date and time that works for you. Hope this helps. And as always, if you have any questions, let us know.